Hello you guys, I hope you all are having an amazing time. Today I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of creating a checking account in Truist Bank online. So let's get started and find out how that can be done. First of all, go to the web browser of your choice and in the address bar type www.truist.com and hit in. You'll then be redirected to the official website of Truist Bank. Now, at the top of the screen, you'll be able to see a section Checking and Savings. Click on it and then go to Checking. After that, you'll be redirected to a new page. As you scroll down, you'll be able to see all the checkings accounts made available by Truist Bank. Select the one as per your requirement. For instance, let's go with Truist Bright Checking. Once you have done that, you'll be able to see this page. Now, you'll have to set up your account options, fill out some personal information including your social security number and make your first deposit. So click on Start Application in order to get started and then answer if you are a Truist client or not. If you say yes, you'll be asked for your login credentials, but if you say no, then you'll be asked for a zip code. So enter the zip code and then click on Continue. Now you can also add Truist Money Market Account or Truist Online Savings Account, but if you don't want it, simply tap on No Thanks. Now fill in all the information that has been asked here. Enter your first name, middle name, last name, select your suffix, select if you are a US citizen, permanent resident or non-resident. Enter your date of birth, social security number, phone number, and email address. Once you have done that, enter your address details, enter your employment details, and finally, check on this box once you have reviewed the information and confirmed it is correct. After filling all the details, click on Continue. After that, follow the further instructions provided and give all the required details. Finally, you'll be able to create checking accounts in Truist. So, we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, TechQuest. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye-bye.